Hi, have you ever disagreed with someone? Well, when we read, authors are trying to persuade us to see things from their perspective. They use arguments and claims to do this. An argument is the main point or idea the author is trying to make. A claim is a statement that supports the argument. Let's think about the game of tug of war. The author's argument is one side, and the opposite idea is the other side. The author will use claims, which are like team members in tug of war, to pull you towards their argument, and those claims can be strong with reasons and evidence or weak without support. We need to be able to tell which claims are strong and which are weak. Strong claims are supported by good reasons and solid evidence. Weak claims, on the other hand, might sound convincing at first, but they lack good reasons or evidence to back them up. Being able to evaluate the argument means being able to decide if the author has made a convincing case. If we find that the text has more strong claims than weak ones, then we might conclude that the argument is sound. But if there are more weak claims than strong ones, then we might not be convinced by the author's argument. Weak claims have no evidence or support to back it up. Remember, it's not about whether you agree with the author, it's about whether they've made a good case. So get ready to put on your detective hats and start evaluating arguments. Just like in a game of tug of war, the team with the strongest players wins. So in an argument, the side with the strongest claims comes out on top. Now you're ready to evaluate some arguments.